Let me make sure I ain't got no lipstick on my teeth before we do this intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, how you doing? So in today's video, I wanted to do like a little fall inspo makeup look. Simple eyes, lashes, dark lip. That's it. That's all we did today. And I filmed it for you guys, so if you want to watch it, just continue. Before you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to. Turn on the bell notifications if you want to, but so let's go play in some makeup. You know what I'm saying? Let's do this. Hello beautiful people and welcome back. So we're gonna get started with prepping the skin. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I forgot what this is called, but I know it's from Becca Cosmetics. I go in with that one first, and then in the center of my face to fill in my pores, I use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And now that I have my skin prepped, it's time for foundation, and I'm using the Loreal True Match in W4 and Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1, what is it, Love Your Selfie foundation in MG5. And what I'm doing here now is dabbing it all over my face and just getting it to the my liking, excuse me. And then I'm gonna go in with a foundation brush and we're gonna dab it into the skin instead of streaking it across the face. By dabbing, I feel like it doesn't move as much, and it leaves the coverage there, and I'm kind of red, so I like me some full coverage makeup. And once I'm done dabbing the foundation into my skin, I'm going to pick up a beauty sponge. I believe this is a NYX beauty sponge, and I'm just going to dab, and it picks up the excess foundation, just so it's not looking heavy. Then once that's done, I'm going to go in prepping my eye with the MAC Paint Pot. I forgot what this is called, and we're just going to prep my eyes for some eyeshadow. Now my eyes are primed. I'm going to go in with my face powder just to set it, just so the eyeshadow doesn't crease on me. Since we're going for a bold lip today, I decided to keep it real simple on the eyes, and I went into this bronzer shade, which is from the Kat Von D palette, and I'm just going to pop that right into the crease. And just to finish up the eyes, I'm going to use that champagne-y color, and I'm going to pop it into my, what is that called? Inner corner, and then pop it on my brow bone. Now that we're done with shadow, we're going to go in with this Essence mascara to prep our eyes and get them ready for some false not Ashley's, some fake eyelashes. And now for the lashes, I'm going in with the Ardell Studio Effects lashes in Wispy. I'm like obsessed with these lashes. I've been wearing these for, I don't know, a long time, and these are like definitely my go-to when I don't want to wear a lot of makeup, but I want to wear makeup, if you know what I'm saying. So these lashes, they still give you that natural looking lash, so I'm popping these bad boys on my big old eyeballs. And now that the eyes are complete, I'm gonna go in and finish up the face. I'm going to start by concealing my under eyes because, baby, I need it. It's them dark circles. That's what concealer was made for. I'm going to go in with light medium and light medium honey. I go in with a shade that's similar to my skin tone and one that is a few shades lighter. And then I'm going to start dabbing that out with my ring finger, of course. And then once I get it to my liking, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Stippling brush just to finish blending everything out. And now for my favorite part, we are going to be bronzing this pale face. We're going to bring some life back into it. I'm going back into that Kat Von D palette in the shade that I used on my eye, which is Shadow Play, and we're just going to bronze up this face and become a bronze goddess. Yes, honey! And y'all know I love me a bronze forehead, and I go ham sandwich up there. And now I'm using my stippling brush just to make sure everything looks seamless and no harsh lines, because ain't nobody got time for that. Now I'm just dabbing my under eyes just to make sure there's no creases before I set them bad boys, and I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner setting powder, and I'm using it in the shade Soft Pink. I'm using the Soft Pink just to add another brightness under my eye. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Keep It Peachy blush, and let me tell y'all something. I went to Walgreens this past weekend, and they're on sale for 98 cents now. And y'all know I picked up a couple of pair because you can't go wrong with having extra. So yeah, I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks, and I'm bringing it up just a little bit just to blend in with my bronzer, and it's just voila, perfecto. And then we're just going to blend everything together before we get it set. And then I'm going to go in with the Mario Badescu setting mist in lavender. Yeah. I'm just going to spray that and get my face set for some highlight. And y'all thought bronzing was my favorite? No. I was mistaken. Highlight is my favorite part of doing my makeup. I'm going in with the Molten Peach from Maybelline and the Champagne Pop from Becca Cosmetics. I'm applying the Champagne Pop on my, what is that called? The cheekbones, the high point of my cheekbones. And then I'm going to take the Molten Peach and dab that on the apples of my cheek. I learned that from Jaclyn Hill, and I like how it turns out. It's really cute. This next step is totally optional. I like to do this when I like to have my contour very crisp, and then I just dab it out with my little fluffy brush, and my contour is popping. And now we're just finishing up the lower lash line by smoking it out, per usual. Then I'm going in with this LA Girl eye pencil. It's like it's not white, but it's like a peachy tone, and I put this in my waterline just to make my eyes pop a little more, and I've been obsessed with doing this lately. It's like my go-to. And then I'm gonna coat my bottom lashes, and then I believe our face is done, and then we're getting to the lips. And now for the star of the show, the dark lip. I'm going in with, I'm not sure what this Morphe pencil is called, but I will list the product down in the description box. And then once I line my lips, I'm pretty sure you guys know how to line your lips, but if not, that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to go in with the Stila liquid lipstick in Ricco, I believe, and it's a really pretty dark plum color, and it's perfect for this season. And here's another step that is absolutely optional. I'm taking some concealer just to sharpen up my lips. I feel like it makes it pop more by doing that concealer trick. And there we have it, guys, with my completed fall inspired makeup look. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Until next time, thanks, bye.